Hi guys, today we compare Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus versus Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus will launched on October 2024. The price is not available. The Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024. The price is $1,090. The body dimensions of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus: height 6.44 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The ROG Phone 8 Pro: height 6.45 inch, width 3.02 inch, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight is 227 gram of Huawei and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 225 gram. The both mobile come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display type: the Huawei come with LTP OLED 1 billion color screen type. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is Huawei 6.82 inches, the ROG Phone 8 Pro 6.78 inches. The resolution of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 1.5K and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 1080p. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 388 bps dynasty. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 449 bps dynasty. The refresh rate of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 120Hz and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 165Hz. The screen to body ratio Huawei come with 89.1% and the ROG Phone 8 Pro 88.2%. The screen to production Huawei come with Huawei Kunlun Glass 3 and the ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the Huawei come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and dual LED flash panorama HDR, and its record 4K 120 FPS video. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 13 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash HDR panorama and 8K 24 FPS video record. The front selfie camera Huawei comes with dual camera setup, the 13 megapixel and TOF 3D biometric sensor, panorama HDR and 4K 60 FPS video record. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with panorama HDR 1080p 30 fps video record. The platform: the Huawei comes with octa-core Titan Peak 3.43 GHz CPU. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with octa-core Cortex X4 3.3 GHz CPU. The Huawei comes with Kirin 10000 3nm chipset. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the GPU. ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with Adreno 750 and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with Melon 930 1GHz CPU and the ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with Android 14 operating system. The Huawei comes with Harmony OS 5.1. The memory of these devices: the ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 12, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage is same for 12 gigs and 1 TB. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The battery backup of these mobiles: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 5200 mAh battery, the ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 5500 mAh battery, and the ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with 865 watt fast wired charging, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 100 watt fast charging. The Huawei comes with 88 watt fast wireless charging, and ROG Phone 8 Pro support 15 watt wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The commons and the features: Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Face ID unlocking Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.1, IP68, dust and water resistant, infrared port, and emergency SOS system via satellites, calls and messages. The ROG Phone 8 Pro come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, infrared port, Type-C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, 341 mini LED on back, IP68 water dust resistant, and pressure sensitive zone triggers. The result of these devices: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus scored 23 points and the ROG Phone 8 Pro scored 15 points.